The change team placing emphasis on a number of key areas as the new government gets down to the people's business. Good Thursday evening, Bahamas. I'm Altaviz Munnings.
I'm Kishla Adderley. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. Topping the news, the speech from the throne outlined a myriad of initiatives the Free National Movement administration wants to realize this parliamentary term.
The Minister administration's plans to modernize health, education, the environment, and social services were all outlined in the speech from the throne delivered yesterday.
The Free National Movement government plans to urgently address the present national skills deficit, improve substandard literacy, national numeracy and communication levels, and promote greater inclusiveness in the education of society. The speech from the throne delivered Wednesday by Governor General Her Excellency Dame Marguerite Pinling highlighted the government's intention to transform preschool learning for all 2.5-year-olds, adequately staff and equip preschool facilities in the Family Islands, as well as enhance special education.
My government will expand technical and vocational education. My government will implement a pilot program for single-gender classes at the junior high school level to assist with closing the achievement gap between boys and girls. My government is committed to substantially reforming the Education Act that will allow for the establishment of a National Education Commission.
The sustainability of the new National Health Insurance Program is among the government's primary items to upgrade national health care. The government plans to extend NHI to secondary and tertiary health care.
My government will construct, upgrade, and expand state-of-the-art facilities and services throughout New Providence and the Family Islands, inclusive of a mini-hospital on the island of Eleuthera. My government will enhance the conditions of service for all healthcare staff. My government will ensure an adequate supply of pharmaceuticals and medical supplies in all medical facilities and clinics in the Bahamas.
Regarding the country's environment, the government will enact legislation to establish a Ministry of the Environment to coordinate all national and international environmental obligations and activities, create responses to environmental incidents, as well as on the remediation of the New Providence landfill to minimize fires. The government has also pledged to expand social services throughout the country.
My government will take action to effect a reduction on value-added tax on bread basket items. My government will continue to provide assistance to those adversely impacted by Hurricane Matthew. Special focus will be given to the construction of new homes for those persons to whom meet the requirements. And my government will bring the Child Protection Act 2007 into full force by establishing regulations to govern the Children's Registry and for the creation of the Office of Minors Advocate. My government will appoint disability inspectors to assist with the monitoring and enforcing of the provisions of the Persons with Disabilities Act, particularly as Provision 21 of the Act will come into full effect on 31st December 2017.
Also included in the government social services platform is the implementation of a gender-based violence national strategic plan and the launch of real property tax discounts and rebates for pensioners 65 years or over.